Paris, the City of Light, is one of the most visited destinations in the world. Whether you're strolling along the Seine, enjoying a croissant in a charming cafe, or marveling at the Eiffel Tower, Paris offers an unforgettable experience. However, when traveling to a foreign country, one of the biggest challenges is communication, especially if you're not fluent in the local language. French is the official language of Paris, and although many Parisians speak English, learning a few key phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience, making interactions more enjoyable and seamless. This journey will explore essential French words and phrases to help you communicate effectively while traveling in Paris. Whether you're asking for directions, ordering food, or engaging in small talk, these phrases will help you navigate the city with confidence and ease. Subscribe for more adventures. Basic greetings and polite expressions. In any culture, greetings and politeness are essential, and the French are no exception. The first impression you make in Paris can be greatly enhanced by using the right words to say hello, thank you, and goodbye. Here are some basic greetings and expressions to get you started. Bonjour, bonjour. Good morning or hello. A standard greeting used during the day, bonjour is polite and appropriate for almost any situation. It's the word you'll want to use when entering shops, cafes, or restaurants. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Good evening. Use this greeting when it's evening or getting dark. It's polite to greet someone with bonsoir after 6 p.m. Salut, salut. Hi, a more casual greeting for friends or people of a similar age group. This is typically used in informal settings. Au revoir, goodbye. A standard farewell phrase. When you're leaving a place or saying goodbye to someone, au revoir is always appropriate. Merci, merci, thank you. Simple yet effective. Showing appreciation is always a good idea. You'll want to use this after receiving service, when someone holds a door open for you, or when receiving a gift. Merci beaucoup, thank you very much. A more emphatic way to express gratitude. This phrase will make you sound more appreciative and polite. S'il vous plaît, please. A polite way to ask for something. Whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or requesting help, this phrase is a must. Excusez-moi, excusez-moi. Excuse me. Use this phrase to politely get someone's attention or to apologize if you bump into someone. It's a great phrase to use in crowded areas like markets or train stations. Pardon, pardon. Sorry or pardon me. A useful phrase when you need to apologize for minor inconveniences, like accidentally stepping on someone's foot. Polite expressions go a long way in any culture, and Parisians will appreciate your effort to speak their language, even if it's just a few words. Navigating the city and asking for directions. Paris is a sprawling city with a wealth of things to see and do, and sometimes you'll need to ask for directions. Fortunately, the French are generally helpful, especially if you approach them politely. Below are some useful phrases for navigating Paris. You estimated? Où, where is? This phrase will help you ask for the location of various places, from landmarks to shops. Example, où est la gare? Où est la gare? Where's the train station? Comment aller à? Comment aller à? How do I get to? Another useful phrase when you need specific directions. Whether you're looking for the Eiffel Tower, a restaurant, or a museum, this phrase will help. Example, comment aller à la Tour Eiffel? How do I get to the Eiffel Tower? Est-il loin? Est-ce loin? Is it far? Once you've gotten directions, you might want to know if the destination is within walking distance or requires public transport. This is a helpful follow-up question. Je suis perdu. Je suis perdu. I'm lost. If you find yourself lost in the city, this phrase will come in handy, along with a smile to make it clear you need help. Parisians are generally kind and happy to assist. Pouvez-vous m'aider? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? This is a polite way to ask for assistance if you're uncertain about your whereabouts or need guidance. Qu'est loin? C'est loin? Is it far? When you've received directions, you can ask if the location is far from your current position. Additionally, in Paris, the metro system is an essential means of transportation. Here are a few key metro-related phrases. Où est la station de métro? Où est la station de métro? Where is the metro station? Un ticket, s'il vous plaît? Un ticket, s'il vous plaît? One ticket, please. You'll use this when purchasing tickets for public transportation. If you're buying a return ticket or a multi-day pass, it's a good idea to ask the clerk for clarification on the price. Est-ce que cette ligne va à? Est-ce que cette ligne va à? Does this line go to? This is useful when navigating the metro system, as Paris has an extensive and complicated network of train lines. No visit to Paris would be complete without indulging in its culinary delights. From croissants to escargots, The food in Paris is world famous, and knowing how to order will make the experience all the more enjoyable. Here are some key phrases for ordering food and drinks in Paris. Je voudrais. I would like, a polite way to express what you want. This phrase is useful whether you're ordering at a restaurant, café, or bakery. Example, je voudrais un café. Je voudrais un café. I would like a coffee. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. The bill, please. When you're ready to pay, simply say this phrase to the waiter or cashier. It's good practice to say merci after the bill is brought to you. Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? What do you recommend? This is helpful when you're unsure what to order or if you want to try something authentic. French cuisine offers so much variety. Avez-vous? Avez-vous? Do you have? Use this phrase to inquire if the restaurant has specific items, whether it's a dish you're craving or a specific type of wine. Example, avez-vous du vin blanc? Avez-vous du vin blanc? Do you have white wine? Un verre de vin, s'il vous plaît? Un verre du vin, s'il vous plaît? A glass of wine, please. France is known for its wine, and ordering a glass is a quintessential part of the experience. Café ou the, café ou thé, coffee or tea. A simple question when deciding between the two popular options after a meal. Qu'est délicieux? C'est délicieux. It's delicious. A phrase to express your appreciation for a wonderful meal. Parisians take pride in their food, and compliments are always appreciated. If you're a fan of pastries, don't forget the following: un croissant, un croissant. A croissant, a must-try in Paris, typically enjoyed with a café au lait. Un pain au chocolat, un pain au chocolat, a chocolate croissant, a delicious pastry filled with chocolate perfect for breakfast. Paris is also renowned for its fashion, shopping districts, and quaint boutiques. Whether you're in the luxury shops of the Champs-Élysées or a local market, knowing how to communicate can enhance your shopping experience. Here are some key phrases to use when shopping. Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Qu'est-ce trop cher? C'est trop cher. It's too expensive. Use this phrase if you feel something is overpriced, or to gently haggle at markets. French markets, especially those with antiques, can be more flexible on pricing. Je voudrais essayer. Je voudrais essayer. I would like to try on. Useful when you're browsing clothes and want to try them on. It's considered polite to ask before heading to the changing rooms. Avez-vous un taille? Avez-vous un taille? Do you have in size? This is helpful when you need a different size. While we hope nothing goes wrong, it's always best to be prepared. Here are a few phrases to use in case of an emergency. Appelez un médecin. Appelez un médecin. Call a doctor. J'ai besoin d'aide. J'ai besoin d'aide. I need help. Use this phrase if you're in distress or need urgent assistance. Où est l'hôpital? Où est l'hôpital? Where is the hospital? If you're in need of medical attention, this phrase will guide you to the nearest healthcare facility. J'ai mal, j'ai mal. I have pain. If you're experiencing pain, you can use this phrase followed by the area that hurts. Est-ce une urgence? Est-ce une urgence? Is this an emergency? A helpful question to assess the seriousness of a situation. Mastering these basic French words and phrases will make your trip to Paris far more enjoyable and will allow you to interact with locals more confidently. Whether you're navigating the metro, ordering a delicious French pastry, or simply making polite conversation, speaking even a little bit of French will show respect for the local culture and go a long way in creating positive experiences. In Paris, language is part of the charm, and Parisians appreciate any effort to speak their language, even if it's just a few words. Though many people may understand English, speaking French will enhance your trip in ways that go beyond just convenience. So next time you're packing your bags for Paris, make sure to pack these key phrases and you'll be ready for an unforgettable adventure. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels!